In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an IKEA delivery. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account and how to switch between pickup and different delivery options so you can choose what works best for your schedule and budget. Start by opening your web browser and heading to ikea.com. It's important to sign in first so your cart and checkout details are properly linked to your account. Click the sign in option and log in. Being signed in ensures any changes you make are saved to your order details during checkout. Now look to the top right of the page. That's where you'll find your cart icon and other account shortcuts. Click the cart to open your current items and review what's in there. When you're ready to adjust how you'll receive the order, click Go to Checkout. This takes you into the guided checkout flow where you can update services and delivery choices. Inside checkout, navigate to the Services section. This is the area where IKEA lets you set how you want to receive your order and shows you any related fees or time windows. Look for the heading that asks, "How would you like to receive your order?" This is the setting you'll change. Here, you'll see your options. If you prefer to pick up your items yourself, choose Click and Collect. This typically lets you select a nearby store or pickup point and a pickup window. It's a great choice if you want to avoid delivery fees and you're able to transport the items. Just make sure you have a vehicle that fits your purchase and check the pickup instructions and time slot before confirming. If you want your items brought to you, switch to truck delivery. This is generally suited for larger or heavier purchases and offers scheduled time windows. Delivery costs and available dates can vary by your address and what's in your cart, so review the updated fee and the date options that appear when you select it. If you need your item sooner and your area supports it, choose Express Delivery. This option is typically for smaller or eligible items and may offer faster timeframes. Keep in mind, express services may have cutoff times and higher fees, and they're not always available for every product or location. As you toggle between options, the page will update pricing and available time slots. If you don't see a particular option, it usually means it's not available for your items or address. Once you've selected the method that suits you best, continue through checkout as normal and review your totals before placing your order. That's it. Now you know how to change an IKEA delivery during checkout. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.